Hey, I've got some more exciting news for you. This channel is just full of great excitement, great updates, great forward thinking, great advancement, whatever the case may be. If you have been using the JSDev environment to create widgets for apps to solve client problems, I've got a great update for you. Let's talk JS and FM with JB. Hey, what's up, everyone? This is JB, and I'm glad to share some updates that I've accomplished over the last week. All of this, by the way, comes from the office hours time that I have every Wednesdays in the JS and FM community. I encourage you to be a part of that. You can see the link to that in the description down below. But let me share this update with you. For the last 18 months, I've been working with this JSDev environment, and it's been going great. I use it every day to develop widgets for folks. But I've never been satisfied with the method to get started. I've taught people how to do it one way. It's never been perfect. There's always been a dream of mine to do it a little bit more advanced way. And here it is. Let me show you what it is. I'm going to go over to VS Code. You don't have to be in VS Code to do this. You can be in the terminal. And I'm going to open up the terminal, in fact, inside of VS Code, and cd into a directory where I keep my widgets. Okay, there's my widget there. There's the folder. And now I'm going to write one command to set up a widget. Notice I'm not going to GitHub. I'm not going to the JSDev environment. Here's what I'm going to type in. I'll type npx at integratingmagic/create JS in FM widget. By the way, I do have this on a shortcut now on my Stream Deck. Normally it's just one button press instead of all those characters. All right, so type that in, and then it's going to lead you through a bunch of prompts that will ask you to tell us to set up your widget. So you got to give this a unique name for that folder. So I'll call this, Walt 2. That's one of my dogs, one of my foster dogs anyway. Walter is his name, not Walt 2. I probably already have a Walt repo in there. What's my description for this? Who is the author? And it's version 1. Its license is MIT. Now here's what's cool is that it will allow you to select a widget type. So you can choose from one of the 4 starter type widgets that I have for you to make your widget. So I'm going to choose just the vanilla JS one, and then what is the name of the target client file for this widget. And for now, I'll just use what comes with the JSDev environment. And then it's going to ask me to initialize and install the repository. I'm going to choose yes. You can read about that down if you want to understand why there's a choice there. All right, it's doing its thing. And now I have the instructions. It tells me it's done. So let's see, all I need to do is cd into Walt 2 and open it up in the code editor. And there we go. It's opened up right here. Now I have the environment downloaded to my machine and ready to go. The only thing I really need to do right now is go to the source control and update the Git. I've made a bunch of changes by bringing all the code down, and I'll just put initial commit, and then I'm going to publish the branch to my repo wherever I want it to go. So I'll just publish, there we go. And now it's connected to my GitHub account. So there we go. That's it. Now all I need to do is get into here and work with the JavaScript file and work with the FileMaker file and create the awesome widget. This is so much better for me as a person who uses this every single day, and it will be great for you as well. You'll be able to create widgets very quickly. You won't have to worry about my GitHub repo or the link to that. You just open up any terminal, type in that command, and you're good to go. So hey, thanks to the office hours people for being part of this and helping me to get this set up and encouraging me along the way. There's a lot of good support in the JSN FM community, and I really encourage you to be a part of it. Again, the link is in the description, so you can join us and be part of that as well. All right, until the next update, I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.